Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best winch snatch block is probably one of the most versatile and indispensable tools for off-road enthusiasts, recovery professionals, and anyone needing a powerful mechanical advantage for pulling or lifting heavy loads. In this video, we will explore its uses, benefits, and essential factors to consider when choosing the right snatch block for your specific needs, ensuring you make a well-informed decision based on your requirements and budget. Number 5. TICONN 10-ton winch pulley. This heavy-duty pulley is built to handle tough recovery situations. It's perfect for trucks, tractors, ATVs, and UTVs. Made from heavy-duty steel, it boasts a 10-ton, 22,000 pounds, capacity. It's strong enough for the most challenging recovery jobs. It works seamlessly with steel cables and synthetic ropes ranging from 7/32 inch to 3/8 in diameter. This makes it incredibly versatile. This pulley doubles your winch's pulling power, making it easier to extract vehicles from mud, snow, or any difficult terrain. With rotating rings for angled pulls and anti-corrosion coatings, it's a dependable companion for any off-road adventure. Before each use, inspect it for any deformation. If damaged, replace it immediately. Regular maintenance with grease is recommended. What we like. It boasts a massive 10-ton capacity and is made from heavy-duty steel, ensuring it can handle even the toughest recovery situations. Its universal fit works with various cable types. If you need a reliable and robust snatch block for demanding off-road adventures, this is the one for you. What people say. It's heavy-duty. It's large and it's the real thing. You'll be able to pull big trucks as well as little trucks stuck in really tight deep snow situations. I used it to pull dozens of cut-down trees out of a large pile. The trees were all entangled and was stressing out my 10K winch. Using this is much slower, but now the winch has it all under control. The item was much larger than I was expecting, but it wasn't a problem. This new one is slightly larger, but it is much heavier. The weight is the biggest difference I can see. Number 4. GearAmerica Mega Snatch Block. Effortlessly recover any stuck vehicle by changing the direction of your pull. It's perfect for navigating around obstacles to get your ATV, UTV, or 4x4 back on the trail. Double or triple your effective pulling power with its mechanical advantage. This eases the strain on your winch motor and increases its lifespan. With an unmatched 25T minimum braking strength and 12.5T working load limit, it makes even the most challenging recoveries easy. It works with ropes or cables from 7/32 inch to 5/8 in diameter, making it a truly universal 4x4 recovery tool. A greasable Zerk fitting ensures smooth operation and longevity. Experience legendary GearAmerica quality backed by our unprecedented lifetime hassle-free replacement warranty. You won't need to buy another one. What we like. This snatch block offers an incredible 25-ton capacity and doubles your winch's pulling power, making light work of even the most challenging recoveries. It's compatible with both steel and synthetic ropes. If you prioritize maximum pulling power and versatility, this is your ideal choice. What people say. 25,000 pounds WLL, 50,000 pounds minimum braking strength. Capacity to run 7/32, 5/8 synthetic rope or steel wire cable. Greasable Zerk fitting. Number 3. GearAmerica Smart Snatch Block. Easily recover any stuck vehicle by changing the direction of your pull. It's perfect for navigating around trees and obstacles to get your ATV, UTV, or 4x4 back on track. Boost your pulling strength with its mechanical advantage while winching. This reduces strain on your winch motor and extends its life. It packs mighty strength in a small package, less than 6 inches long. It fits easily in your UTV or ATV kit. It has a hefty minimum braking strength of 24,000 pounds and a working load limit of 12,000 pounds. It works with both D-rings and soft shackles. It accepts winch snatch blocks for steel cable or synthetic rope up to 7/16 inch in diameter. Experience GearAmerica's exceptional quality. It's made to last and handle the toughest recoveries. Get the ultimate recovery gear for your adventures. What we like. This compact powerhouse delivers 12 tons of pulling power without sacrificing portability. It's incredibly versatile, working with various rope types and attachment points. If you need a powerful yet compact snatch block for ATVs, UTVs, or smaller vehicles, this is perfect. What people say. 25,000 pounds WLL, 50,000 pounds minimum braking strength. Capacity to run 732/5/8 synthetic rope or steel wire cable. Greasable Zerk fitting. Number 2. GearAmerica Off Road Kit. This kit has everything you need to get your vehicle unstuck, whether it's a truck, ATV, or SUV. It's designed for any off-road adventure. It features incredibly strong snatch blocks and shackles, capable of handling even the most challenging recovery situations. You'll be prepared for anything. With safety features like a winch line dampener and gloves, you can tackle any recovery safely and confidently. Your safety is our concern. We stand behind our products. This kit comes with our industry-leading lifetime replacement warranty, giving you peace of mind. Our mission is to promote responsible off-roading. This kit is built to last, so you can focus on enjoying the adventure. What we like. This comprehensive kit includes everything you need for a safe and effective recovery, including a mega-strength snatch block. It prioritizes safety with features like a winch line dampener. If you want a complete solution for all your recovery needs, this kit is unmatched. What people say. This kit seems like great quality, time will tell, but I have been impressed so far. I also bought a second matching snatch block for some of the logging projects we have around the property too. All of their equipment is tested by an independent company before it leaves the building. Materials are all exceptional and made to last. This recovery kit offers the essentials and comes in a well-made carrying bag that can also be used as a dampener. The straps are bright orange, great for when it's getting dark. The gloves are well made too, not some cheap pair just to throw in the kit. 2 D-rings and a 9-ton snatch block round out the kit. Oh, the bag also has reflective material on it as well. Much easier to spot in low-lit areas. I opted for the 25-ton kit and was very impressed with the quality of all items included. Bag is sturdy too. Number 1. TGL Offroad Recovery Kit. This comprehensive kit provides everything you need for safe and effective off-road recovery. It's perfect for tackling tough situations and getting you back on track. This snatch block doubles your winch's power or changes your pulling angle. Its robust steel construction ensures reliable performance, even under extreme stress. Protect your trees and your winch with this heavy-duty tree saver. Its durable design and reinforced loops provide superior strength and protection. These straps are built to withstand immense forces. Use them for winching, pulling, or as a recovery bridle for added safety. These 3/4 diameter D-rings provide secure connection points for all your recovery gear. They are ideal for attaching to your vehicle or other recovery equipment. This kit is a complete solution for various recovery scenarios. Use the components individually or together to create a customized recovery system. What we like. This kit provides a 10-ton snatch block alongside essential recovery gear, all built from durable materials. It's a great value for a complete recovery setup. If you're looking for a reliable and affordable kit with everything you need, this is a great option. What people say. I bought this for a specific task which I was able to tackle easily with this well-made strap and hardware. Someone had felled a tree and left a very long trunk down an embankment and under a big pile of chips. I was able to pull it up and out with this strap, a come-along, and a chain. No damage at all by this strap to the live tree I used as the stationary anchor point. Update 3:30:20. I used the tree saver to anchor the back of my Jeep to various stumps and the snatch block attached to the front of a very stuck 1-ton diesel Ram with a 40-foot gooseneck trailer behind it. I don't know what more I could have asked for. This kit works great, and has more than paid for itself, a few times over. I've used the snatch block as intended and very robust. Also used the strap to move logs. They don't show or tell, but they provided some small orange straps that are perfect for the winch connection. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.